Imagine a world where your skills as an insurance data analyst are not only current, but truly ahead of the curve. In our course, AI for Insurance Data Analysts, you'll discover how to turn routine data work into strategic insights using artificial intelligence. With the rapid evolution of the insurance industry, relying solely on manual methods just doesn't cut it anymore. Instead, learning to harness the power of AI will give you a competitive edge, streamline your workflows, and open doors to exciting new roles. This course is designed with you in mind. It's a complete package bursting with up-to-date video lessons that break down both foundational and advanced AI techniques in clear, understandable ways. You'll gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge AI tools, specifically tailored for insurance analytics, explore thousands of real-world job prompts, and learn through detailed eBooks and audiobooks that fit perfectly into a busy schedule. Real-life case studies bring the concepts to life, showing you exactly how to apply what you learn on the job. The journey you take with us is not just about learning new skills, it's about enhancing your career. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With every lesson, you're preparing yourself to not only meet today's demands, but also to seize tomorrow's possibilities. You can find all the AI for Insurance Data Analysts training courses on CompleteAItraining.com. Dive in and take your career to the next level.